Ever wondered how to transform your long content into engaging bites? In 2026, I tested 8 AI tools designed for content repurposing. AI content repurposing tools help you convert existing content into new formats, short clips, captions, and even full videos. They save you from creating everything from scratch. These tools fall into 4 categories: clip generators, transcript editors, distribution tools, and script-to-video makers. I tested these 8 tools on the same source materials. Each one had a unique strength. For example, Opus Clip and Vizard excelled at cutting long videos into short clips. Pictory was a standout, transforming my blog and script into finished videos with voiceover and captions. Looking for the perfect tool? Pictory is ideal if you start with written content. It generates a video with synchronized visuals and audio in one go. If you want to make shorts from existing videos, Opus Clip and Vizard are top choices. For transforming podcasts into written formats, Castmagic is perfect. So how much do these tools cost? Most have free plans with limitations, laddering up to paid tiers based on usage. For a smooth workflow, choose one tool per content type. No matter what stage you're in, pick tools that fit your needs and workflow. Turning long videos into shorter clips is efficient. Meanwhile, Pictory can create engaging videos directly from your written work. Ready to revolutionize your content? Explore these AI tools and see which one fits your style best.